Hey Lisa, how you doing? I'm going through this. I'll talk about that style guide in a second. Great job, by the way. Very, very good work. Nice presentation. I'm going to go through this a little bit in 1 second, but I want to draw your attention to something. It we're missing a piece here. We're missing the logo because right now, don't forget, our branding package is what? Our branding package is its logo, word mark, um, monogram, right? Three pieces. Right now, I'm only seeing the word mark and the monograms, which means we're missing the logo. So we need to add the logo into your style guide here. I'm not real sure exactly what happened or how that happened, but we definitely need a logo here. This is definitely a word mark. And you can use this word mark for your primary logo, as you stated, right? Using the word mark for your primary logo is perfectly fine. As a matter of fact, I think it's gorgeous. But we still need a version of the logo itself. Do you see what I'm saying? So we need the three pieces in the branding package. We need the logo, we need the word mark, and we need the monogram. Now, quite often, the logo is going to include the name of the company. I mean, I would say 10 times out of 10. The only time we see the name of the company removed from the primary logo is in the case that it's a very famous company like Nike or Starbucks, right? So we'll need a logo to add to your package. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the style guide. I think the style guide looks good. You've done a really, really good job here showing exactly what you can do and how you can use the monogram and the logo. So that's fantastic. What we're not seeing here is what we can't do. Nice design, by the way. What we can't do. So what I'd like to see is some rules on what you can't do with the logo, the monogram, and the word mark. Let me show you an example. I also would like to see assured clear distance. Let me show you exactly what that is. Assured clear distance simply means that you take a portion of the logo. In this example, they took the lowercase a. And basically, you just draw a bounding box around the logo, right? And then you place that A in the corner so that you're showing this is the area. Nothing can get placed closer to the logo than that. And that's what that indicates. So I think in your logo, we could do the same thing. You could just draw a box around, place the M right here in the corner. So here's an M here, here's the cap M here, here, and here. Okay, and place them around that main bounding box. And then that M distance would be your assured clear distance. Then I would like to see you show some don'ts to do with your logo. So here's our logo don'ts. Okay, you got the international no sign, and you can see the several very different variations that you. So, for example, you could show different color variations. You could show different typeface. You could show different, a gradient on here. You could show this shown on a gradient background. All sorts of things here. That you can show as not acceptable versions of here's some examples right here: gradient on the logo, gradient on the background, changing out elements for other elements, etc., etc., so on and so forth. So just go ahead and show us some don'ts. So we need assured clear distance. We need some logo don'ts, and then also address that issue for the logo, word mark, and monogram. All right. Great job. Questions at all, please. Or if you need clarification, let me know. I'll be glad to provide. Thank you very much.